you want 1/4. So it should be what? 4 into 3, 12. So 1 into 3, 3. So it should remain 3 upon 12. 3 upon 12 should remain. Remain means to remove how much then? 12 minus 3 upon 12. So that is what? 9 upon 12. 12 minus 3 upon 12, 12. So you get, yeah, so it should be 1 minus here. Remaining is 3 upon 12. So removed means 1 minus 3 upon 12. So 12 ones are minus 3, 9 upon 12. So 9 upon 12 are to be removed. So 9 are to be removed. So 9 means what? Which are the easiest one to remove the 9? M, how many M? 5. And N how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 plus 4, 9. Yeah. So M plus N, if they are removed, then only 3 remain. So 3 upon 12 remains. In the given figure, P, Q, R, S are the midpoints of all the given sides. Now area of AGEC equals to, yeah, it should be ABCD. So ABCD equals to 100 square centimeters. Find the area of the shaded portion. Okay. Do it by visual technique. Okay. Visual means what? See here, I have divided this into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Go on joining each part. 1 plus 2. Suppose if this 2 is joined over here, then what happens? See, it becomes like this. This and these two get combined. So this is okay. Next, 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is first done. Now add 3 to it over here. 3 over here. So you get this figure. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now add 4 to it. This 4 on this part. So it becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay. Means it becomes a complete square. 1 square. Now total is 100. So divide it into 4 parts. So it will be, each square will be 25 square centimeters. And this shaded area has become 1 square. 1 quarter square. So it is 25 square centimeters. That is the required answer. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. Follow us on Facebook on this link, WhatsApp on the number for purchases. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Baba plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.